What if I told you you could purchase a home in South La Quinta that is practically brand new, has some of the most amazing views, paid for solar, and a blank canvas in the backyard for you to create your own backyard oasis? I'm James Sewer with LPT Realty, and today we are in Cantera at Coral Mountain, 80442 Segovia View Way. Let's take a look. So one thing about this home is it was built in 2024 and it was bought as a second home, so it wasn't even lived in really very much at all. So this house is immaculate, very clean. Let me flip the camera around so you can take a look at everything this home has to offer. So as you walk in, you've got a little bit of a hallway here leading you to your living area. You've got vinyl plank flooring, beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. To the left is where 3 of your 4 bedrooms are gonna be and 1 of your full restrooms. We'll take a look at that in a minute, but we're gonna turn to the right here, and that's where you'll find your laundry room, your garage access, and then your half bathroom, your powder room there. And then your laundry room is a really nice size, not finished, plenty of space as you can see. It's got the sink and the washer and dryer, and this home includes the washer and dryer, but you've got plenty of room to put your cabinets up there. You can put, countertop to fold your laundry with more cabinets all the way around, plenty of space there. So really nice size laundry room. And then here you've got a little storage space in this little alcove here. And then your powder room. And then as you go back, if you were to turn to the left when you first walk in, you've got some closet space there. So you got 2 closets. One of them would be your coat closet. And then your second closet here, which is very similar to the first, would be for your linens. So 2 closets there. And then your cluster of your 3 bedrooms. So really nice size rooms. As you can see, this is a queen size bed in this room, and your closet there. So plenty of room here. And this room faces the street there, which is actually south. So you've got mountain views out the window there. Second bedroom. Again, very nice size. You got 2 twins here and a dresser. And this home features 9-foot ceilings. And again, you've got those incredible mountain views out the window there. Faces the street. And then your 3rd bedroom, I'd say this one is the biggest out of the 3 smaller rooms. And the tall ceiling, so you got plenty of space in these rooms. One thing I like, actually one of the favorite things for me in this house, is how all 3 bedrooms are away from your primary bedroom. So this is your full restroom here. We saw the powder room already. So you've got the tub and shower combo and the toilet there. And then you've got the dual vanities, plenty of storage space, very nice fixtures. So a really nice size restroom for these 3 bedrooms to share. And then you've got a thermostat there. And then as we walk back down, now we're going to enter the main living area. So you've got beautiful living space here, which flows into your dining room and your kitchen. And then you have this huge wall that you can add more countertops, maybe put a wet bar in there, more storage space, do all sorts of stuff with that wall there. Because this You can see the size of this table seats 8. So this huge table here, and then you've got the beautifully done kitchen, large island there with the quartz countertops. You've got the oven microwave combo, beautiful stainless steel refrigerator. Got the walk-in pantry here. So you got a nice size pantry to store all of your dry goods. Beautiful backsplash, plus the under cabinet lighting really makes this kitchen stand out. If you're anything like me, this is where you'll spend most of your time. Absolutely love being in the kitchen. You've got your dishwasher there, stainless steel sink, and then the window from your sink catches those mountain views as well. So plenty of storage space in this kitchen. As you can see, the island has plenty of storage space, and you've got all of your drawers and cabinets feature the soft close. We've got the gold fixtures there. Very beautifully done. So while you're in the kitchen, you're still part of the party. You have all of your people, you know, you can see maybe all your food, your birthday cake, your Thanksgiving turkey, all of that stuff right here on the island. You got plenty of seating space here, and then you got people on the couch, and you're still part of the party. And then you have all this space here as well. This is how they've got their living room laid out. I might put the TV on that wall there. So when you're in the kitchen, you'd be able to watch TV as well, and then maybe set the sofa up coming out this way. Maybe things just a little bit different. Maybe the sofa goes here, but plenty of different opportunities. But beautifully done kitchen, the tall ceilings, the white cabinets and the white countertops and backsplash just gives it that very big open feeling. And then my favorite part of the design of this house is how the primary bedroom is separated from the other 3 bedrooms. So you've got your nice size primary bedroom here. And again, the window captures those views. Look at those mountain views that you could wake up to every morning. Absolutely incredible. And another one of my favorite features in this house is, and we'll take a look at the backyard in a second, but this home only shares one wall, and that's that wall there with a neighbor, because that wall in the back is it's kind of like a basin, breezeway there. So you've got nothing behind you except the house is across the way. And then this wall here, there's another walkway, breezeway, in between this wall and that house. So you're not sharing that wall with the neighbor either, which is really cool. And then your primary restroom, you've got the stand-up shower there and the tub, the toilet room here. And again, your dual vanities and your walk-in closet. Huge walk-in closet. You totally take advantage of this space with some built-ins, but plenty of storage space in this walk-in closet. You got the soaking tub there with your window that leads into your primary bedroom. So a lot of really nice features in this house. Now let's take a look at the backyard. One of the selling points of this community is how quiet it is and how dark it is at night. This is one of those communities where you can look up at night and see all the stars. There's no light pollution, so quiet. Just listen, you can, there's no sound. There's no sound, right? How peaceful it is. Let me flip this camera around and show you the incredible views that you would have from your backyard and the views that you'd get from your primary bedroom, your kitchen, your dining room, your living room. Check this out. Incredible mountain views at night. You've got to see the sunset. There's your neighbors behind you are all the way back there because this is like a basin. Let me show you, let me take you over there and show you what that looks like. Backyard is a blank canvas. This home sits on an almost 11,000 square foot lot. Now look at that. This is what you've got behind you here. So you're sharing this wall with your neighbor here, but your other neighbor over there, let me show you what's on the other side of this wall. You're not sharing a wall. There's a walkway there. There's a little breezeway. So you only share one wall with your neighbor. You have the most incredible views. I've seen the sunsets. The sunsets are absolutely incredible. The sky lights up like fire. And then you have this blank canvas. So just picture, right? And let me show you on this side. So you have this whole side yard here. I could totally see maybe a putting green or, you know, maybe a garden or something here, right? It's nice and quiet. This is your primary bedroom right here, your primary bedroom windows. This is your primary bathroom window there. And then you have your garage access there and your side gate there. So you could totally do whatever you want on this side yard. And then the main yard, pool, your kitchen is over here. So you have the covered patio. It's got a connection for a ceiling fan. You already got the recessed lighting, and this is your kitchen right here. So I would totally extend this patio out, and you've got water there. You've got the gas line there. Picture your outdoor kitchen right here. And you still have this whole side yard over here as well. So, I mean, the possibilities are endless. I see extending the patio out, building your outdoor kitchen. Your pool area is here with your spa and your fire pit. Just endless possibilities. So this is almost an 11,000 square foot lot with the most incredible views and a blank canvas for you to just create your own backyard oasis. You can see the neighbor across the street there put ficus for some privacy. You could totally cover this up, but I would leave that open so you can capture those views. So this community is South La Quinta. Right behind me there, right over by Coral Mountain, is Lake Cahuilla, the only place that you can go fishing here in the Coachella Valley, and it's walking distance from this community. Now let's take a look at the garage. So this is a 3-car tandem garage, which means you've got the 2 cars side by side and then one in front. Let's get the lights on there. So you've got plenty of room here for your 2 cars. But wait, you've got all this space here for your toys, your Christmas decorations, even a 3rd car. You can fit your boat in there, your ATV, your motorcycles, your golf cart, whatever toys you've got can go right over there because you've got your tankless water heater. So your tankless water heater, so you don't have that big bulky water heater in the space. And then you have all this room for your 2 cars there as well. So plenty of space in the garage as well. And the tall ceilings enable you to put some overhead storage racks as well. So plenty of room on each side of the garage as well as overhead. And then of course the 3rd car tandem. This home literally checks all the boxes, and location is everything. The peace and quiet in this neighborhood is unmatched. No light pollution. You can look up and see all of the stars. It's so dark out at night and it's so quiet. You are so far away from the hustle and bustle everyday living. It's an absolute destination getaway, but you're not far from anything. So nearby shopping, you've got Costco, you've got Ralph's, some of my favorite restaurants like Luna's Bar and Grill. That's a local small business mom and pop restaurant that serves some of the most delicious food that you've ever had. The Ahi Poke Tower is my absolute favorite. You've got Coral Sushi, you've got Kitty's, which is a breakfast diner that's been around since 1954. This is their 2nd location right off of Jefferson. You're just minutes away from Old Town La Quinta, where they have the farmers markets, car shows, and all sorts of fun stuff like that. The BMP Paribas tennis tournament is less than a 10-minute drive from here. You are located right next door to PGA West, so you've got the MX golf tournament. Some of the most incredible golf courses, hiking, bicycling. Let's not forget about the fishing at Cahuilla Lake. which is the only place to go fishing here in the Coachella Valley, you are just surrounded by so many things to do, yet it's the perfect getaway. This home checks all of the boxes. It's move-in ready. It's practically, you just bring your toothbrush and you're home. So if this home interests you, 80442 Segovia View Way, my contact info is below. Don't hesitate to reach out. I would love to show you this home, and currently it is the lowest price home in the entire community. Thank you for watching, and subscribe. I do weekly home tours throughout the Coachella Valley, all sorts of different videos about what it's like to live in the Coachella Valley. So don't hesitate to reach out and subscribe today. Thanks for watching.